Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about how you can be a more focused. Sometimes it's not easy to be focused on your goals, personal goals, professional goals, because our mind is wandering in 100 different directions and we are thinking uh, 100 things at a time and we're not achieving anything. We seeing the same results, same circumstances, same people, same whatever is the same for you, and we just keeps repeating every single day. To see the change, to see the difference and achieved goals, you have to be really focused. So how you can be more focused on your goals, personal goals, professional goals, and to become a focus, you have to start doing something differently. And this is what I have learned from my mentor, and you can do the same. This is what I'm doing every single day, and doing that I am become on a autopilot now. Autopilot means when you start doing something and then you become like automatic, you doing things automatically and you're not wondering and your thoughts are not spreaded, you're scattered and in thinking in 100 things at a time. And I am more focused, I'm more action taker now, and I'm very much aware of what action I have to take and what do I have to do. And once you have the clarity in your mind, and you can achieve better and you can achieve and see the results. Definitely. With my testimonial, this is what I'm doing, and you can do the same. So, what do you have to do? First step. First step is you have to do list. Most of the time, people they just in their mind they want to do 100 things at a time. To do list is you have to write down what is the most important first thing you wanted to do. So it's going to be a 6 things. You're going to write them down and the things you wanted to achieve tomorrow. So you have to do a day before. Write down on the do list. Do list is like a notepad, and you're going to write 6 things you're going to do tomorrow. And you're going to write it down day before, and this is what you're going to do and take an action, or maybe you'll be writing something, maybe you'll be listening something, or maybe whatever your do list is, and you have to write down the most important. You have to start with the from first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Write down 6 activities you're going to finish it tomorrow, and write them on the notepad. And the next day you're going to get up and you're going to start with the first you have written. You have to start doing that action. You have to maybe say example, the first thing you have to write it on gratitude, and then you start doing that. Second thing, you have to maybe affirm your goals, and then you finish that. Third thing, maybe you have to visualize it, and you have done that. You have to tick it. You have to tick every activity you have finished, and then tick it, and then you start with the next one. What happens doing that, your whole focus going to be on only one thing, and you're not going to think anything else. All you have to do, 100% focus on your first activity. That way, because mind is there, your focus is there, your will is there, and your energy is there, focusing only on one thing. And we are not focusing on 100 things at a time. Doing that, and you definitely going to achieve more. Means when you do that, you're going to see the change. You're going to see the achieved results. You're going to see definitely the change. So if you start doing that 40 days, do it so 40 days. And another thing, the important thing, you're going to take action every single day, not just one day. You have to do it every single day. So do that every single day, 40 days. If you have missed it, you have to start over again counting and then do it 40 days. After 40 days, you're going to do it again and then again. Doing that, and you're gonna become autopilot. Autopilot means you're going to be so focused and you're going to do automatically. You're going to do things automatically because you have the so much clarity in your mind. You know what is important to do, and you're going to do that. You're going to finish it. And another thing, when you're taking action, whatever that's doing first or second or third, you're not going to think about any other step like next one or next one. All you have to focus on whatever the step you're taking first or second or third or fourth or fifth. But if you haven't finished it on the same day, and don't worry about it, on next day you can do that. The last you have missed, you can do first on the next day. You can start doing that uh, first first thing in the morning. That is your priority. So so don't stress about it. You haven't finished it, like 6 activities. As long as you are taking the action and you're focusing on the first one, second one, third one, and if you can't finish it whole thing, don't worry about it. And then you can next day you can start that is your first priority. So what is the most important, and write it down in the first thing. So if you can do 6 activities, great. If you can't, don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. Okay, then you can start all over again, writing it again. What is your first priority? So that way, taking the steps, and you're definitely going to be very focused. You're going to be more creative. You're going to become more clarity, and you definitely going to see the change. You're definitely going to. This is how the law of attraction works, because we work on one or two things, not 100 things. And we are going to be more calm, we're going to be more in harmony, and we're going to achieve more. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. With my testimonial, this is what I did, and this is what I'm doing every single day. Now I don't even have to write a do list, because automatically I know what to do, and I only do the do list if I going to forget something. Like if I have to something, I have to include something new, then I write it down. Otherwise, I don't have to write it down anymore, because automatically I know what I have to do. And in because there's so much clarity, it becomes automatic. You do things automatically, and you don't have to be stressed about it. You don't have to be think I haven't finished that. I still have to finish something, and you're doing something and you're thinking something else. No, it's not gonna be like that, because 100% you're gonna do whatever you are going to do. So you're putting all your energy and your focus on one thing, not in 100 things. So that's what is meant to do a do list. Do list is excellent idea. And this is what I have learned. This is what I'm sharing with you. Hopefully you can start doing that also. Do list is really, really helpful. So all you have to do, take a notepad and the pen, write down 6 activities. The most important, you're going to finish it tomorrow. So do that day before, and then start all over again. Even the same thing, or then something new you wanted to include, and you can do that. So hopefully this lesson going to help you, and it's really helping me. And I am doing my activities every single day, and the do list is very, very helpful. So please, do you do your do list and leave it in the comment, or you still haven't started doing the do list if you haven't? And what do you think as starting a new do list? And Do you think it's going to help you, or you're doing that already? So leave your comments in the comments. What do you think about the do list? Or if you haven't started, and let me that also, you're going to start one. So hopefully this lesson going to help you, and definitely helping me. And of course, it can help you also with your goals, whatever your goals are, personal goals or professional goals. If you do need a further help with your goals, personal goals, professional goals, I do that. And you can message me, and we can talk on the Zoom, on the line. I can help you with your goals also. If you do need a help with your do list, I can help you with that also. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And hopefully you're going to start to do your do list. And I think that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.